joint stock company VOLOGDA bearing factory. The bearing factory was founded in VOLOGDA in 1967, and already in January 1971 the factory started manufacturing products. Initially, the factory was set up as a satellite of Volsky Automotive Factory with the aim to provide its vehicles with high-quality bearings. The construction of the factory continued until 1991. Production capacities were generated to supply automotive, electric engineering, machine building, metallurgical industries with bearing products, and also to execute orders of the defensive industry. Beginning from 1991, the factory delivers bearings to the international market, including the following companies: John Deere, Polaris, Uzdeo, Eaton Corporation. Entering the international market was accompanied by active implementation of quality management systems. As a result of the above work, the factory was certified against the following standards: ISO standards for quality management system, environmental management system, and occupational health and safety management system. The certification was carried out by the leading international companies. The factory annually confirms its compliance with the requirements of these international certificates. Technological stages. Only certified suppliers deliver metal and technological materials to the company. All products pass incoming inspection at the raw material storage complex and non-destructive metal testing. All tested products are stored at the mechanized stock houses, ensuring safety and preservation of metal. If necessary, metal is reworked up to the required dimension. Forging production shop. For manufacture of bulky and main bearings, a unique forging building was constructed that has no analogues in Russia. The required set of equipment for performing different kinds of forging and heat treatment operations is available here. For mass production of bearing parts, high-efficiency automatic lines are working here that provide for hot running of rings. For manufacture of forged pieces up to 200 kilograms in weight, the factory mounted and commissioned a free forging production bay. Related production shops. Ball production shop. One of the obligatory components of a high-quality bearing are its rolling elements, balls and rollers. Ball blanks are manufactured at the production bay of multi-station presses, providing high homogeneity of metal structure and geometric parameters. Further machining of ball blanks is made at the Romanic machines having a horizontal axis of rotation that were produced under a Japanese license. Use of high-precision equipment allows making balls of the highest quality grade. After ultrasonic washing, all products pass 100 inspection on the automatic Avica machines. Microgeometry is verified using microscopes of leading European firms. The packed products go for completion of bearings or sold as separate parts. Cage production shop. Up-to-date cage shop produces high-quality ribbon-type, brass and cast plastic cages with all kinds of anti-rust protection. Tuning production. Metal received in tubes of forged blanks is machined at the automatic tuning machines. Machining of rings with a complicated profile is performed at the bay of numeric control machines made by the German company DF. Machining of rings of main bearings is performed at the backing machines. high operation stability of bearings depends directly on high quality of heat treatment. That is why these production bays are equipped with up-to-date heat treatment aggregates, flex case made by company CEC USA. A separate direction is heat treatment of rings for railway bearings, according to a patented technology. Grinding and assembly shop. Finishing of rings and in-process assembly of bearings is a definitive stage. Over the recent years, the production shops underwent major changes. The main tendency for modernizing the shops is the creation of flexible manufacturing systems. The creation of the flexible manufacturing systems was accompanied by a deep modernizing of equipment. Over 300 units of equipment had a complete renovation and replacement of all assembly units, which define and enhance technical performance of the machines. The company purchased more than 200 pieces of special super finishing equipment for machining raceways of inner and outer rings, which allowed to achieve a stable quality level Q4 on the flow. Along the entire line, a flow sequence was introduced to prevent rings from colliding. Separately, the factory is setting up the manufacturing systems for machining and assembly of special bearings, double row bearings with a shaft instead of a ring, railway bearings, for which the factory has acquired special assembly complexes made by the leading European companies. The company has several assembly systems for hub bearings at the stage of delivery. The creation of manufacturing systems made it necessary to solve the problem of designing and producing a whole variety of assembly and inspection gauges and flex conveyors. All products 100% are diagnosed in specially made automatic machines for logarithmic measurement of vibration and noise, with different types of load applied to bearings. All products are packaged in compliance with international standards. Metrological support. The company has a multi-link system of ensuring product quality. It includes inspection at the machines with the help of in-process gauges. Operation of the equipment is statistically controlled, and products are also inspected at the express laboratories. The central laboratories carry out design review, testing and research of products. Engineering functions. In-house machine tool building. To provide the production shops with specialized equipment, the company established its own machine tool building shop, which includes R&D section and production facilities to make the equipment. Over the last years, the following equipment have been produced and mounted on the company shop floor: automatic lines for machining and assembly of bearings, inspection and sorting automatic machines, vibration and acoustic automatic machines, machines for filling the grease and inserting the rivets, assembly automatic machines, and many others. Product and process design functions. Functions supporting the operation of the factory include a Department of Engineering and Production Development, which is engaged in preparing design documents for bearings, engineering and metrology support, and also in process design. All milestones are developed completely with the help of computer software. All projects are linked through a computer network with relevant departments involved. IT department is responsible for developing software for product and process design, company management flowcharts, and also for tracking all communications. The IT department has a staff of programmers knowledgeable of computer technologies who have access to appropriate equipment. Tool workshop. A high level of production management, considerable personnel potential, high product quality complied with international standards have allowed the company to reach a leading position in Russia and Commonwealth of Independent States. In Russia, every third bearing is a VBF brand.